Hello and welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. My name's Nyla. Today I'm very excited to present to you a 1967 Royal Plum Chevelle. This thing is immaculate. Paint job, interior, exterior. It's got a 396 big block. It is a manual transmission with a convertible top. It is a power top. Al's going to demonstrate that for you right now. Opens and closes super smoothly. It's got the clean black interior. There it is opening. We're going to take it for a ride for you.
Okay, hey Nyla,
Hello.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we got a 1967 396 big block, 4-speed. This car has been owned by the original owner since day one. We do have verification on the motor being a 67 396. But we don't have the actual papers for that. But we do have a trim tag, which you took a picture of, that proves it's a true 1967 big block Chevelle, and it's a true SS. So we got some people in the way there, so before we kind of get on it, we'll let them get out of the way.
Sure.
The car is the original color, which is, what did I tell you it was called?
Royal Plum.
Royal Plum.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's been painted once. There isn't any filler in this car at all. It's 100% it's original metal. What a cream puff. I think you took some pictures of the motor while it was running.
Yep.
The fun part about this car is the underneath, because it's that nice. But it's the real thing. So we're going to take them for a quick little ride so they can see that. How she drives and shifts. It just sounds
beautiful.
Unbelievable, doesn't it? A little
Yeah. Awesome ride.
Yeah, well, we got a red light, so we got to put up with that. But we'll get back on Lakewood Ranch Boulevard here. Blinkers, bright lights, cigarette lighter, windshield wipers, all that stuff works. Gas gauge, speedometer. In the dashboard, the clock does not work, but they never do really. But a car you can drive from here to California if you wanted to. That kind of car. Let's get it revved up a little bit so they can see that it looks like going down the road. Nice straight steering wheel. Nice little rumble in the back.
Feels good. Sounds good and looks good. We're going to get it back on the hoist and show you the undercarriage in just a minute.
All right, thank you.